Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video. And I've got something I want to share with you. Look, stay with me for the next few moments. Well, no, let's do this. I've got a power thought that I want to share with you, and then we're going to get into the subject matter of this video, okay? Okay, this is just another power thought that I simply love. It has so much truth, so much meaning, okay? Look, you will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. Power thought from John C. Maxwell. Gotta say that one more time. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. How powerful is that? Okay, let's get into our message for today. Okay, now, you need a good immediate cash payment program. If you don't have one, I've got one for you. Just think of the possibilities. Think if you could earn over $100 a day. Okay, but let's back it up and let's say a minimum. Let's say if you did the minimum of what we could do with this program, one of the programs I'm going to show you anyway, and that is let's say $30 per day. Let's say you can, on average, you can earn $30 per day. Guess what? That's $900 a month. That's incredible. Okay, so we've got this immediate cash payment program. Okay. Easy work at home, get paid cash daily. All you need is 30 minutes each day to do this. No experience is necessary, and we've got step-by-step instructions for you, okay? Are you looking for an authentic system that gets results? I have just the system for you. In fact, I have two systems that I want to share with you, okay? And I've got the links in the description area of this video. Now, you can work both of the programs like I do, okay? And the first program that I want to share with you is our immediate cash payment program. That's going to be the first link in the description area of this video, okay? All right, let's move on. Okay, now we've got no hype for you, no lies, just real programs that work. And look, if you're really interested in making money online, I'm talking about low cost, high profit potential opportunities, be sure to check out the links in the description area of this video, okay? Take a look, be prepared, okay, or prepare yourself to be amazed, okay? Now just think, no telemarketing, no selling, no waiting for a paycheck, set your own hours, work from the comfort and convenience of your home. And if this sounds doable, okay, if it sounds exciting, then you've got to check out the websites in the description area of this video, okay? Okay, now in closing this video, I want to direct your attention here again for me. All you need is 30 minutes each day to do this. If you have 30 minutes every day, you can do this. If you have 30 minutes every other day, you can do this, okay? Think about it. No experience is necessary, and you're going to have step-by-step instructions. Folks, this is a powerful, powerful way to get paid immediate cash, payments to you every day. Okay. You got to get started first and get going, start building, and this can happen for you. Okay. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. All right. Bye-bye.